In this video, I'll talk about part 2, ways of expressing concentration of solution. Subscribe the channel, ring the notification bell, and watch the video until the end. For more diluted solution, we use parts per million and parts per billion to express more diluted solution. Now let us define both parts per million and parts per billion. First, parts per million, which is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 10 to the power of 6. But parts per billion is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 10 to the power of 9. Now let me give you example for both parts per million and parts per billion. 2.5 gram sample of water contains 5.4 microgram of lead plus 2. What is the concentration of lead plus 2 in both parts per million and parts per billion? Now let us consider the given quantity. The first given quantity is mass of solute. Actually, the solute is lead plus 2 and its mass is 5.4 microgram. 5.4 microgram is equal to 5.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 gram. Another given quantity, mass of solution, which is equal to 2.5 gram. Required both parts per million and parts per billion. Solution, first parts per million, which is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 10 to the power of 6. Now, mass of solute is known, mass of solution is known. Mass of solute 5.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 gram upon 2.5 gram into 10 to the power of 6. Now minus 6 cancelled by positive 6. Finally, parts per million, which is equal to 5.4 into 2.5, which is equal to 2.16 parts per million. Now let us come to parts per billion. Parts per billion equal to mass of a solute over mass of a solution into 10 to the power of 9. Here both quantity are given, mass of solute and mass of solution. Mass of solute 5.4 into 10 to the power of 6 gram minus 6 gram over 2.5 gram into 10 to the power of 9. Now minus 6 by plus 9, which is equal to 5.4 into 1000 over 2.5, which is equal to 2160 parts per million. What does mean 3% by weight? 3% by weight means 3 gram of solute per 100 gram of solution, or 3 gram of solute added to 97 gram of solvent to prepare 100 gram of solution. What does mean 5% by volume? 5% by volume means 5 ml of solute per 100 ml of solution, or 5 ml of solute added to 95 ml of solvent to prepare 100 ml of solution. What does mean 1 parts per million? 1 parts per million means 1 milligram of solute per 1 million milligram of solution. 1 milligram upon 1 million milligram is equal to 1 milligram upon 1 liter. Assume that the solvent is water and the masses of the solution and the solvent are almost equal. 1 milligram plus or minus 1 million milligram is approximately equal to 1 million milligram. 1 liter equal to 1 kilogram, which is equal to 1000 gram, which is equal to 1 million milligram. Therefore, 1 milligram upon 1 million milligram, which is equal to 1 milligram upon 1 liter. The third, mole fraction. Mole fraction is equal to mole of a component upon total mole of a solution. Mole fraction of A is equal to mole of A upon mole of A plus mole of B. Mole fraction of B equal to mole of B upon mole of A plus mole of B. Summation of mole fraction is always equal to 1. Means that mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B always equal to 1. Therefore, mole fraction has no units. Means that it's dimensionless. Its value is always between 0 and 1. Mole percent equal to mole of a solid upon total mole of a solution into 100%. Conceptual example. What is the mole fraction of iodine molecule in a solution containing 30 grams of iodine molecule in 400 grams of carbon tetrachloride? Now let us consider the given quantity. Mass of iodine molecule is given, which is equal to 30 grams. Mass of carbon tetrachloride is given, which is equal to 400 grams. Required mole fraction of iodine solution. Mole fraction of iodine is equal to mole of iodine upon mole of iodine plus mole of carbon tetrachloride. To determine mole fraction of iodine, we need to calculate both mole of iodine molecule and mole of carbon tetrachloride. Therefore, mole of iodine molecule is equal to given mass upon molar mass, which is equal to 30 grams upon 254 grams per mole, which is equal to 0.12 mole. And the mole of carbon tetrachloride is equal to given mass upon molar mass, which is equal to 400 grams upon 154 grams per mole, which is equal to 2.6 mole. Now, mole fraction of iodine. Mole fraction of iodine is equal to 0.12 mole upon 0.12 mole plus 2.6 mole, which is equal to 0.12 mole upon 2.72 mole, which is equal to 0.044. I'll come back with another video. Stay safe. Thank you.